Hi guys, Andy Brocklehurst here, and in this WSO I'm not only giving you a piece of software that creates flash game apps on Facebook which you can monetize and use yourself, build for clients, but also I'm going to give you the full private label rights to the software. We're also giving you a complete set of mini site graphics which have been done by a professional graphic designer. Not only are we giving you these graphics, but we're also giving you the mini site template, the PSD file. So those of you that want to do Photoshop and change this around and alter it a little bit, no problem. You get the PSDs as well as the JPEGs and PNGs. We're also giving you a brander so that the piece of software that does all of this, you can completely rebrand. You can change the name of the software, you can change the background image, you can change these advertising links that are built into the software, you can put your name as the author on the about box and your own website link in here, and then you can sell the software and keep 100% of the profits. So that's what's on offer. Let me show you what this thing does. Here is one game that I've built on Facebook already. This was a free flash game, and in the video that accompanies this, which incidentally is a white label video, so you can take that video, retitle it, package it and put it with your own product, with your own version of the software, with its own titling and everything else. In that video I show you where you can get hundreds and hundreds of these flash games for free. And this tool then converts them into Facebook applications. Here's one running on Facebook now. This is a little sort of run around platformy gold digger type game. You have has a like button, has a post to wall feature, so people can post on the wall that they're playing the game, and it also has an invite friends feature, so people can invite their friends to play the game. Which then drives more traffic to it. Let me show you how easy this software is to use.
Free games. Jungle.
Let me just stop that. Here is the app setup screen in Facebook, and simply all I've done is go in, asked to create a new application, told it, given it a name, told it where I'm going to put the game on my server, and Facebook has allocated an app ID and a secret ID. Once I have those numbers and I've decided where I'm going to install it, I just run this piece of software and I give the game a name. I tell it the width and height of the flash content. I select the SWF file from my computer, and this is just the exact file that I've downloaded for free. I put in the app ID and the secret ID and the app space name. I tell it where the files are going to go on my server, and then I specify an image for the game, and most of these games come with those images. If I click on this just to show you what I got when I downloaded this, it had the SWF file, a small and a large image, as well as an HTML file, which we don't actually need, but sometimes we need to grab information from it, which is all covered in the tutorial video. So here I've just grabbed the image file, set up the message that appears on the invite screen, set up the message that appears when people post to their wall, and then I've got two advertising spaces that I can specify, one at the top and one at the bottom. And you can either put banners in that are hosted on your own server, or if you use a company like RockU Ads, for example, you can just put that ad code in there, and then your ads will appear, and when people click on them, you earn money. Give it a bottom ad, and then tell it you want to create the files. It'll ask you where you want to save them, and that's it. It generates the files, tells you it's done, and I just upload those to the folder I gave it on my server. And when I'm done, the game is there on Facebook, ready to go. Remember, you're not just getting the ability to build these games, which you could just build for yourself or build for clients. You could just sell the output from this program. But not only that, you can actually sell copies of the program. And remember, it comes with a branding tool as well. So let me just show you that real quick. the brander that comes with this. When we run the brander, it'll pop up and it will ask us where the program is that we need to brand. So that's what I need to brand. Open. And that pops the branding screen. You'll see that I can change the title of the software. I can change the author name. I can change the little description about the game. I can change the about details. I can add a help screen to the help menu of the game, which will open up a URL on my server. That could be the tutorial video. It could be a YouTube page. You can specify the background image. You can specify the advertising links down here. And optionally, you can have a registration code system so that when people first run this, they have to put a code in. In order to get that code, they have to go to this URL, which will pop up, and that could be a squeeze page, your autoresponder page, to capture their email. So basically, when you sell this game, when you sell this game's creator to other people, you can make it so that they have to register. The beauty of that is that it's got that built-in lead capture system. So that is everything you're getting: the brander, the software, private label branding rights, PSD files, JPEGs and PNGs, and a mini site template. You're getting all of that for a ridiculously low WSO price. So do yourself a favour and grab it now before somebody else steals your discount.